Yeah.
I think it's weird when you can't see the...
We got the Buster Bronco right here.
Wow.
Alrighty guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Brackin Machine in Preston, Idaho. We got the new Bronco here, we got a Jeep Wrangler over here, we got a new Ram over there, but today we're working on the 2022 Ram 3500. We're putting a leveling kit on it so we can clear 20 by 10 or 12 or something, I don't know, and some neatos. So this is the other one that was just done. So just real quick to show you guys, this is what we are going to be putting in on that truck. So around here, there's no point in doing anything like the easy way. So instead of using a floor jack, we're using the forklift. And we're gonna be lifting the front of this up. We're gonna take off the wheels and tires. And then we are going to be pulling off the sway bar bolts, yeah?
Sway bar links, so we can lift it up more.
And then we're gonna lift the truck up. We're gonna make it level so that we can clear these. Which, these are a 547 GB from TIS wheels. So we are going to get the wheels and tires off. We'll catch you in just a second. Do what?
You gotta pull off the wheels and then detach the sway bar on both sides so it'll drop down.
What's that?
Dang, it must be nice. Look at all this. This is brand new. We got 300 miles on this truck and it's not rusted out. Nice. All right, so now that we've got this lifted up, the first thing that we're gonna do is we are going to get this detached so that we can get all this stuff to drop. And then on the other one you saw, there's a puck right here that's gonna lift this up and level it up so that we can clear those tires that you saw in here before. Carson, what's the next move?
We gotta disconnect the sway bar on both sides, make sure that we're not gonna run out of cable with the brake lines and stuff. Then we gotta take off the shock, drop the axle, take the spring out, put the blocks in, then do it all in reverse.
Well, I mean, I don't have an expert opinion, but I just know that bolt needs to come out. Oh, you already got that one off. Take that 13 out, because when it hangs down, you're gonna break your lines. It comes down a ways.
Okay, I'll go.
So in your expert opinion, what do we need to do?
No, that's what we need to do.
No,
That's what we gotta do.
That's what we gotta do.
Yeah,
All
13
right.
here. What is this, a 20, 21? Right here. Because you're gonna add your extension.
13.
Yeah, you've already got that. Good to go.
And wrench.
All right, here comes Carson.
Oh, that's the brake line, right?
It's got the line for your, and your
ABS.
ABS sensor. They already welded this up.
All right, so you can see that the
Keep going.
tension is coming off of that spring there so that we can get that puck up in there. You can see the body lifting off of
Keep going.
the axle there. We got Carson manning the forklift.
All right.
Spring has come out. All right, here we go. Now we've got to get the leveling kit in and then put it all back together.
Shock extensions. So, what is this? Is this a 2.5, Kaylee?
Yeah,
2.5. Brings that mount up extra 2.5 inches so that you don't lose some travel. That's going to kind of hold it through that hole there.
Okay.
And then that bolt's going to go back through right there, from the top down.
So does it rotate
Drop
around?
in this way or no, that,
That way.
So your spring doesn't spin?
Yep.
My luck, this thing's gonna fall on me. Mother on.
All right, okay, it looks like we've got everything in there. We've got the mount up top, you can see right there. All right, just got the truck set down and now we're gonna torque the wheels on. We'll pull it out of the garage and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, got the first look with the leveling kit on, wheels and tires. Let's see how it looks. Dang, son. Not looking shabby at all. It's kind of bright out here. See if we can get it on this side a little better. Here we go. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright guys, let us know what you think of the 2022 3500 on a 2.5-inch leveling kit. With 20 by 10 or 20 by 12?
12.
20 by 12, 35-inch tires, 2.5-inch leveling kit. I think it's got just a good amount of stance, even though with a black truck, it's always gonna look like this. But anyway, let us know what you guys think of it down in the comments below. And until then, we'll catch you next time.